everybody, it's Neil, and I have this set. They came with two pairs of pants, and they are by Rare Bone. So that's what these are, is Rare Bone. They're kind of like a yoga kind of pants, just really comfortable, big fitting ones. I got size large. I am about 170 pounds. Well, tonight it's the evening, I'm probably 172 or 3 pounds because I've been eating all day. And I'm 5'10", so I'm gonna go put these on and show you what I look like with them. But let's just check them out here. So if you look at it here, it's got like a little fly section, but there is no zipper in it. It's sewn shut, and it looks like it's got a couple of pockets on the side here and the front, but I can show you that when I put it on, and a little pocket in the back with a bead. So one sec, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with it. Here, I'm gonna move this back, try to give you some space so you can see what it looks like. These are my pants now, so they look kind of nice. It's actually nice pants. I could probably wear them out somewhere. They're not too huge, which is nice, and they're very cotton and linen-y like, so I'm guessing they would wrinkle a lot if I needed them to, but this is how they fit on me. I don't have the biggest butt in the world, but I have that, and as far as length goes, you can see it's like the perfect length for me. So these are really nice. Let me try to sit down in them here. I can sit down and they're fine, so they seem good to me. And it's got a little string inside here for the, so I can tighten it up if it got loose, but right now it seems like it's a decent size on me. You can see, it's good size, and this is the gray and dark gray version. So the one I'm wearing now is the gray, and this is the dark gray here. It's a 2-pack, and it's pretty inexpensive. And so this is what the dark gray looks like. If you want to see it on me, I'll put it on 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I've got the dark gray on, and you see it's got the pockets here, which are nice and comfortable. It would be able to fit my wallet in there. I don't have my wallet here, it's in the car. But it would be able to fit it in there without it falling out too much, because it goes nice and deep. And then it's got a pocket in the back here with a button on it. So I could put stuff in there. Not a huge one, but I could put some money or something in there. I don't usually carry a wallet in my back pocket just because it's uncomfortable to sit. But I like these, they're nice and comfortable. As far as going on a trip or something, I'm actually going to New York tomorrow. I'm probably gonna bring one of these just because if I go to a show or something, I'll wanna look a little bit nice. And they're ridiculously comfortable, and they're super tiny, like they fold up so small. Look at this thing here. So this is the other one I just took off. And you can see, because it's just linen and cloth, it's just super small. And I can just fold it and fold it and fold it. Still have the little tag on it. But you see, it gets real small to back up. A lot smaller than a pair of jeans would be. So super comfortable, super nice. I could wear these around the city all day. So I like them, thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. And that's it. Thank you, bye.